Hello guys, so I'm here to introduce this bracelet. So this one is quartz turquoise with tiger eye bracelet. So this bracelet made for whoever suffer lots of chaos or lots of people voice. So this bracelet made for them only. And if you have lots of trouble for your health, so it will heal properly your head to toe. If you need some protection, so quartz help to protect, and tiger eye also gives you the protection. And if you want all kind of negativity will remove, then all bond turquoise, tiger eye, and quartz helps to all kind of negativity, especially tiger eye and quartz, giving you the all kind of protection, and they remove all kind of negativity. and and also tiger eye provides you passion or encouragement or fearless energy to achieve something clarity. So this is the quartz. So quartz gives you the clarity to achieve your own wisdom and own knowledge, or own sky wherever you want to achieve. So wherever you want to go, if you have dream, if you have a big dream, so just carry this bracelet, because triple bond helps you to achieve lots of success, money, uh, communication skills, clarity, or including knowledge, wisdom, uh, whatever wisdom you have in your generation, it will gives you the way to connect with those wisdoms, that wisdom. So if you want to connect with your own ancestral wisdom, so connect with, so use that bracelet, turquoise quartz and tiger eye. So this bond helps you the golden light or golden path to achieve your own wisdom, own destiny, whatever your dream is, whatever your uh, goal is, you will easily get it with the help of this bracelet. So, and yesterday night I made it, and whenever and fortunately it will made easily without any interruption, without any uh, problem. It made easily. I never met that kind of bracelet, and this is the real uh, what can I say? This is the mm, my first bracelet which I made with this chain, golden chain, or golden throughout made this bracelet with golden chain. And if you like this bracelet, or you want to purchase this bracelet, so you can purchase from here. And this is the bracelet, uh, helps you to go anywhere, everywhere with ease. Because when I made it, it made easily, and everything is aligned. Everything is aligned. So whenever you wear that bracelet, your chakras are aligned. Your whole body, mind, soul will align soon. Definitely your all obstacles will gone soon. Your all problem, whatever problem you have in this 3D life or cosmic energy or 5D or other D, whatever dimension you have, and you have that kind of problem, so this bracelet for you guys, it will solve your all kind of problems. So mark my word, because I made in night time. After this, after this I made it. After this I slept uh, comfortably. Yeah. So this is the marvelous bracelet I ever made. So totally I use golden wire to make this bracelet, and this is also a golden chain and hook. So if you like this bracelet, so you can purchase it. Whatever your destiny is, whatever your problem you are going through or suffering, so it will remove soon whenever you uh, get this bracelet. So I don't know whoever energy is, and I don't know whoever person to wear this bracelet, but best part is, the thing is, this bracelet to remove the all problems, uh, especially chaos, whatever your chaos is. Mark my word, this is provide you the golden line, because I I I see that line. So I don't know, but for someone, definitely for someone, a golden line or golden way waiting for you to achieve something big or golden, or maybe some kind of golden light provides you the way to achieve your destiny or your communication skills or your leadership quality. So if you like this bracelet, you will or you can purchase from here if you like it. So in the description box I mentioned the all details. uh, so thank you so much. Love and light.